So, walking down along right here, I figured, oh, I'll probably hit this here because we didn't look the other day when we were down. I looked up. Lo and behold, guys. Okay. You see it right there? You see it? Son's going to grab for it. Go pick it up. That's pretty cool, guys. See that? It's pretty neat. That's awesome.
I'm keeping it.
Yeah, right. That's the first one. That's the first one I found. Keep looking. See, they blend in just like that. Just keep looking.
Right.
Yeah, just keep looking. Right, that's pretty cool, right?
My friend, Hunt,